Hi everyone, welcome to this video on the top 10 quick tips for using Ansible. If you are looking to improve your automation skills, these tips will help you get the most out of Ansible. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1, use YAML syntax correctly. Ansible playbooks are written in YAML and YAML is quite sensitive to spaces and indentation. Make sure that you write your playbooks correctly. As a best practice, you can start your playbook with 3 dashes and end them with 3 dots. Number 2, organize your playbooks. It is best practice to write your playbooks using roles. This keeps your tasks, handlers, variables modular and make them easy to manage. Number 3, use variables efficiently. Variables can make your playbook flexible. You can store Ansible variables in vars folder, group vars folder, or host vars folder. Number 4, use handlers for idempotency. Within Ansible, handlers are special tasks and they are executed only when they are notified. So for example, if you want to restart a service only when it is necessary, you can use handler for that. This way you can achieve idempotency with your automation. Number 5, check syntax before running. You can use Ansible -playbook followed by -- syntax check flag to check your syntax before you run the playbook. Number 6, dry run with check mode. I have already discussed this in one of our videos. You can use Ansible playbook with -c flag to run your playbook in dry run mode. This will show the changes that would be made on the remote server without actually making them. Number 7, use tags for running specific tasks. You can use Ansible tags flag to run your specific tasks or roles. The good thing with this is that let's say if you have hundreds of tasks and you want to test 1 or 2 of them, or very specific type of tasks, if you tag them correctly, you don't have to rerun the whole playbook. You can just run those specific tasks using this tags module. This will save some time during development. Number 8, use Ansible Vault for secrets. Any sensitive data, we should not store that in plain text word or even using plain encoding. So Ansible provides Ansible Vault command line tool that you can use to convert your secrets into encrypted text, and you can use the same command to decrypt it if you want. Number 9, use inventory. So if you have lots of servers that you are managing, you can use inventory files to group them into certain specific groups. This will help you manage them easily. Number 10, leverage Ansible Galaxy. You can use Ansible Galaxy to download and share your code. Nowadays, in your version of Ansible, there is a concept of collections. You can write your collection and share your collections with other developers. Okay, that's it for our top 10 quick tips for using Ansible. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. And if you would like to have a detailed video on any one of these topics, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.